So then you have to use Greek letters, or you have to use something else. Yeah.
You're the best.
Yes.
Ever. Fuck off.
11 means 1. That would mean 1 foot, 1 inch, which is actually how many inches? Or how many? Yeah, how many inches? 13. Whenever you have 2 digits, the digits mean something in this category and something in this category.
Okay, we were working with ones and zeros. Why are there A's and B's up there now?
So when you get to 12, it'll be 1.
No, I'm recording.
Yes, when you
Think
get
you're really
to
gonna watch
12,
all of this
Yeah,
and get home, just
probably.
hanging out?
No, we're gonna watch all of this when we do math homework on the weekend. Matt and Eric. And whoever else. Everyone's welcome.
I'll be there.
whoops.
So everyone besides Jensen's are still welcome. No. Because you're just
How
gonna
will we
make.
get anything done?
Okay,
We'll watch the video.
So- these are your possible digits.
Everything's more fun when it's
In
on
base
play,
12.
Jensen,
Now
when it's projected.
we're not going to use base 12, but that was an example as to why we might need symbols other than 0 through 9. We're going to use 2 other bases in this class that are more common to computer programming, and they also relate nicely to base 2. That's another reason we're using that. Octal, base 8, and hexadecimal.
6.
No.
I guess 4, 16.
Base 16 and base 8.
What's the not decadecimal? No. Decahexagon.
Decahexagon. I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright. Octal, base 8, hexadecimal, base 16. With octal, when you're base 8, your digits are what? 0 through 7. Here, your digits, and this is why we just talked about this. Let's see, that's the first 10 are there. 11, or well, this is the number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the digits are 0 through 9 and then A through F.
You can't write like A through F.
Yeah, you could. I was just writing them all out. Okay, base 8, again, the biggest number you could get is 7. Base 16, the biggest number that you could get is 15 before moving on to the next category. So, I want to, let's convert 397 to base 8.
Yeah.
Now, before you say, ugh,
Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah.
before you get grossed out by this, we can use, I said base 8 and base 16 are closely tied to base 2. Why?
Makes sense. 8 times 2 is 16.
2 to the third, 8, 2 to the fourth, 16. 5 equals.
Yeah.
Or 2 times 8
2
is
to
16.
some power is, well, 2 to the third is 8, 2 to the fourth is 16. So 2 to some power gets both of these bases. That's why these are helpful. So when we want to convert 397 to base 8, we're going to take the base 2 and then convert to base 8. So 397,
I'm gonna whistle while inhaling. Not.
you could, but yes, you could. You could. But I want
Okay,
to
we're
show
doing
you this.
this.
Because you'll probably be, we already did 397 to base 2. What was that number? Read it.
1-1-0-0-0-1-1-0-1.
Okay, we know this already. Here's why base 8 isn't too bad. 2 to the third gets you 8. What we can do then is break this number up into, well, into
1,
groups
1,
of 3.
0.
Right? Into groups of 3. Each one of these is representing 2 to some power. We can break this into 3 digits each. So what we're going to do is take this number 110 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Break it into threes. Groups of 3 digits.
If
Yeah.
3 days doesn't have to be a bigger number, and then
Yeah.
like an extra one, we can just do one less.
Yeah.
Wait, you, with the extra will be at the left of the right.
Left.
Why did you break it up into 3?
Because 2 to the 3 is 8. So we're going to break it into digits of 3. And let's talk a little bit more about that. The first three places when you have base 2 are 2 to the 0, 2 to the first, 2 to the second. What is the biggest possible number that you could have here?
4. Well,
1.
Emmett.
Here?
1.
Here.
1.
You can have 1, 1, 1. That's the biggest number. Let's see what that is.
7.
That equals 4, right? This is 2. This is 1. 7.
That's a beautiful 7.
So 7 would be the biggest number that you could have if you take the first 3 digits. That's convenient to base 8. Because the biggest number that you could get out of here would be 7. And then if you had anything bigger, you'd move to another category, but you can't get anything bigger out of the first 3. So that's a reason we can break this into 3. And that's what we're going to do here. This is 1, 2 to the 0, 0, 2 to the first, 1, 2 to the second. And you're going to do that all the way across, each time breaking it down like that and getting the digit.
You add up within each section.
And you add up within each section.
Okay, this is getting weird. It's like walks.
I think this might have been the point they started protesting.
Take our name off competition, boys. Yeah. Yeah, why did he just say for 4, 6? Why did Dominic just say for 4, 6?
He was here for 4, 7. So we have 1, 2 to the 0 and 1, 2 to the second. That means you have how many here?
5.
5 here? Here?
0.
1, 2 to the 0th, right, is 1.
Oh, I wrote those.
And then you've got 4 plus 2?
6.
6.
Wait, how'd you get what? 1? Oh, 2 zeros.
I had like 3 zeros.
I feel like struggling
And then you base 8.
Yeah. What? I meant what?
So like, let's say that I'm just kind of forget about like the
That's all it
exercises
is.
that you did or whatever. If you take 8 to the second,
Yeah. Yes.
that's 64. Right. 64 doesn't go into 397 6 times. Yeah. It does. Okay.
Yes.
So wouldn't it just be easier just to do original base 8 though? It took me like 20 seconds on the calculator just to...
Well, you can see though, if you're already given the base 2 number, you just break it up. I don't know. Maybe.
Are you pausing?
What?
We're not discussing
2 to the